Hello friend, namaste. Today I'm going to make a pesto. So right now I'm taking fresh basil leaves in my garden. This is fresh basil. So basil, it is sweet basil. So it has a lot of benefit. It's good for the type 2 diabetes. It's good for the blood pressure, good for the liver, has a vitamin A, calcium, vitamin K, uh, good for the liver and good for the skin, like if you have a dry skin and anti-aging wrinkles. So lots of benefit in basil, good for your prevent your your memory loss. So, and I'm going to make today a fresh pesto. So this is really good benefit in this one. I love this. We can basil I'm using to my pizza, my pasta, spaghetti, a lot of things I'm using basil and a lot of recipe, and look real good. It's fragrance is nice and taste is nice too. So and I make it, and I make it a big bottle of the pesto, and then I use it whenever I need it. So it would be nice, and I make it whole my 12-month pesto. So today I'm making just a little bit fresh, then I make later all year pesto. So hello friend, namaste. This is Dr. Neelam Chudasama, and today I'm making pesto. I just picked up from the outside fresh basil leaves. I grow in my garden. Also, then I put 3-4 cloves of the garlic, some pine nuts, salt, Parmesan cheese, and extra virgin 100% extra virgin olive oil. So let's start. First I'm going to crush the garlic, and we can do in the blender too, but I prefer to eat fresh and make it like that handmade. So first I'm blend the garlic and peanuts, and this is the basil pesto. I'm making basil pesto, so it's in there Parmesan cheese, the olive oil, and the pine nut. Pine nut is protein from the nut too, and also basil has lots of benefit, like you can use as a cold and cough, your liver problem, your heart problem, your anti-aging, antioxidant. Even you can use in diabetes too. You can eat all the time, every time some basil leaves. That's work for your type 2 diabetes sugar too. So I'm doing my Ayurveda consult, and it's just online, on phone or Facebook. I mean FaceTime, because pandemic cases going on. Sometime no, sometime yes, and so that's why I still not doing on person. So this is done. Now I'm going to put some the Parmesan cheese, about 2 spoons or something like that, and I put the salt. little bit, blend it with this. I'm not using the blender because this is good for the health. If you do this way, fresh. Whenever you need, you eat fresh pesto. Made it like that. I do some like a whole year pesto to put it in a bottle because we cannot have whole year basil. So now I'm going to put the basil leaves. I already washed it. Nice smell. It's real good smell. I like to smell all the time basil. So first I put some leaves because I cannot put all together. Then I put later other little bit. See, now it's all done. Now I put more. I have this one small, but you can buy the big one, little bigger too. But I used to have this small. And you have your hand exercise too while you're doing this. This is good for memory too. I have a little bit left, so I put it all. Yummy. Pesto going to be yummy, yummy. I love pesto. Pasta and pizza. I'm not eating pizza, but pasta, or you can eat on the side to your dishes. Whatever you're eating, you can eat on the side like salsa, that kind of stuff. You think it's a salsa. That's what you can use too. I have to do it more. Real thin. So now it's almost done. Let me do it this way. Okay. Now I'm going to put olive oil. Yummy. So I put about some like 3 tablespoons kind of that. So it's ready. It's help for all your diabetes, type 2 diabetes, your liver disease, heart disease, your memory. Also you get protein in that one, vitamin A, vitamin K, antioxidant, all of benefit. So wow, it's yummy. I'm gonna show you. This is fresh basil pasta. I mean fresh basil pesto. Yummy, yummy. It's extra virgin olive oil, the pine nut, the cheese, sauce, salt, garlic. It's really tasty. Bye. Thank you to see my video. I am a Ayurvedic consultant, Ayurvedic doctor, Neelam Chudasama, and I have my Life Ayurveda Wellness Center Facebook page. My website Ayurveda, lifeayurvedausa.com. My YouTube page is Dr. Neelam Chudasama. My Instagram page neelam.chudasama. So please follow, like, and share this video if you like it, and also subscribe our YouTube channel. So I sometime I put my videos so you can see if you subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a good one, everyone. Namaste.